on the right plan. They're designed to help you save money and pay some of the costs Medicare doesn't. Depending on the Medicare supplement plan you select, you can have no deductibles or co-payments for doctor visits, hospital stays, emergency care, and more. You can keep the doctors you have now, ones you know and trust, with no referral needed. Plus, you can get medical care anywhere in the country, even when you're traveling. With Humana, you get a competitive monthly premium and personalized service from a healthcare partner working to make healthcare simpler and easier for you. You can choose from a wide range of standardized plans. Each one is designed to work seamlessly with Medicare and help save you money. So how do you find the plan that's right for you? One that fits your needs and your budget. Call Humana now, the number on your screen, for this free guide. It's just one of the ways that Humana is making healthcare simpler. And when you call, a knowledgeable licensed agent producer can answer any questions you have and help you choose the plan that's right for you. The call is free and there's no
So this is Robbie Robot, that is his name. He is currently mapping my house, so he knows how to vacuum. He just does things all by himself. It's wonderful. I love Robbie Robot already.
Roomba is again clueless about that cord. Look at that.
Oh man, this is so scary. So we got this vacuum cleaner that's supposed to be a poop avoidance. So I'm testing it